Listen, there is nothing just about being a chorist. There's nothing just about music. There's nothing just about anything that matters. Heck, I can argue that music is the most essential, affective, metaphysical, and purest form of artistic expression there is. Even to the point where there is no serious religion that exists without music taking the central stage. Could it be that music is the purest way to talk to and listen to God? And if religion is not your thing, could it be that music is the purest way to talk to, listen to, and interact with the universe? If the scripture and music are the two wings that a religion's message flies with into the hearts of its people, and if a priest is to the scripture what a choir is to the music, if, like in the case of the Roman Catholic Church, it typically takes someone around 17